Here's some folk remedies trivia. Subscribe. Which root is known for reducing coughs? Is it A, turmeric, B, garlic, C, ginger, or D, onion? The correct answer is C, ginger. Name the remedy applied to minor burns. Is it A, rubbing alcohol, B, hydrogen peroxide, C, aloe vera, or D, calamine lotion? The correct answer is C, aloe vera. Which vegetable is used in detox remedies? Is it A, potato, B, carrot, C, beetroot, or D, spinach? The correct answer is C, beetroot. What is commonly used to soothe sore throats? Is it A, salt, B, garlic, C, ginger, or D, honey? The correct answer is honey. What herb is recommended for menstrual relief? Is it A, peppermint, B, fennel, C, ginger, or D, basil? The correct answer is B, fennel. Which oil is known for muscle pain relief? Is it A, sunflower oil, B, essential oil, C, coconut oil, or D, olive oil? The correct answer is B, essential oil. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.